Good morning, my YouTube friend. It's 7 o'clock in New York City. The sun hasn't come up yet. It's dark outside, but we have a long day ahead of us. We have a large collection to go through today, like 1,100 pops, maybe like $28,000 worth of pops. Ooh, it's gonna be a lot of work. The store is a little chaotic mess, so we'll do a quick store tour, but let's get the day started. So as you can see outside, the sun is just coming up. It's like the sky is a little bit dark. But in here, I have so much clutter. It's been kind of piling up in the winter because I don't do as much work in the winter because it's too cold. It's been nice the last couple of days. I have a whole bunch of more sodas for Tuesdays, whatnot. So that's awesome. Over here, we have one giant box to go through. And then there's just so much clutter here. I've been moving the pops from the other side over here. So like all the stuff I have just too much of, I've been kind of moving over, or just the stuff that's still left over. I've been moving over here. I still have a lot of room right here and a lot of room. So I got to move a couple more shelves today. So let's go over there. I put some studio lights in here so we can actually see. I actually just bought some more for the store. I'm trying to get studio lights in the store, in the basement, and in the office so I can film in multiple locations so it's easier for me to do videos today. So basically I'm taking this shelf, I'm moving it to the other side, and then as I price out stuff in this collection, I'm just going to put it on the shelf right here. So all the new releases are kind of on the top shelves here, just so I can keep track of it. And then we have all these bins to go through today. This is like 20 giant moving boxes full of stuff. If you saw my little preview video the other day, you kind of see what in here. There's a lot of good, like $50. I think there's over 100, $50 plus pops. So decent collection of better stuff. And, you know, just some cheaper stuff. Just a whole mix. It's a collection. Everything from the $8, like no one wants the stuff, to the high in demand $200, $300 stuff. Let me just show you what I priced out so far. All right, so this shelf here is the first batch of cheaper stuff I priced out. We have Lola Bunny, Baby Nut, Iron Spider, Slush Puppy, Zamasu, Captain Marvel, where she's got like the colorful neon lights, Devil Flanders, Eevee, Devil Flanders. One was the international, one was the Amazon sticker, Vaporeon, Drax, Bulma, Pichu, Bugs Bunny as Superman, Piccolo, Jolteon, Master Chief, the Venomized Invisible Girl, Videl, Triclops, Flareon, the Sylvester and Tweety, Mewtwo, Captain America, and Wile E. Coyote as Cyborg. So that's a nice little batch. Let me show you what's in the case. I'm trying to put, as I price out, the better stuff on the top here so you can see it. Chester Cheetah, Marty McFly in future outfit, Thor, Taz as the Flash and Star-Lord. Over here it's a little bit darker so it's harder to see, but we have Brian O'Connor from Fast and Furious, Perfect Cell, Arbiter, Master Chief with Cortana, that's the best one so far, and Lincoln. So I'm going to start just pricing these out, and I think after each bin is priced out, I'm going to show you guys what was in that bin. I'm just going to set it up so we can take a look. It's going to be a very long day. I'm starting early, though. I want to get from 7 to 3 when we open as much done as possible, and then I'll be slow going kind of when we're open. And I think tomorrow I do have to get Whatnot Show in, but I also need to finish the collection. So tomorrow might be a short, like 1 or 2 hour Whatnot. Not 100% sure yet. All right, let me start digging and pricing stuff out. Okay, I'm going to start with this bin here. That's larger stuff, so that should go pretty quick. Let me price that out, and then I'll show you everything in that bin. That bin emptied out, and all priced pretty easy. We have, let's see, the White Man Can't Jump set, Billy and Tommy from WandaVision, the Kang and Kodo set. Love that one a lot. The Bugs Bunny LeBron James set, Goro from Mortal Kombat, the Hydra Stomper, this really beautiful Stitch set. That one's going to sell real quick. And Venomized Groot. So lots of fun, big stuff. Let's find another bin to dig through. Let's see what's in this bin. I don't know if I looked at this bin yet. All right. This is a few big things and a few small things. All right, let's price this all out, and then I'll show you everything that's in this bin. Okay, this bin is done. I priced out all the Pez and the Pocket Pops. These just aren't really sellable, but they'll sell on Whatnot. So I got 3 of the Deadpools, and then a bunch of the Pez. Those I'm going to have a hard time selling. But up here we have the Pops. We have the Gamer Deadpool, Napalm Bomb from Mega Man, Logan, the really cool Morgan Stark, Tony Stark double pack, Gamer Deadpool, the Giant Galactus. That figure, his card's beat up, so I'm going to just sell him for $5. Someone might want that. Deadpool Gamer Chase, the really cool glow-in-the-dark Cyclops, Marietti and Becker double pack. I have so many of those in stock right now. Nick Fury, Shang-Chi, and Nomad Steve Rogers. So pretty cool little batch of stuff. We're about an hour in. I did 2 of the smaller bins. I think I want to tackle a large bin just to see how long it takes me. So I can calculate. I have 18 more bins, I believe, to go through, maybe 19. I got to kind of calculate how long that's going to take me. It might take me 18 hours. It might take me an hour a box. Not 100% sure yet. Okay. Looks like a fun box, though. I see, some value in here. Like this guy, Zeb, has some value. And I think this one is over 100. Oh, yeah, it has the con sticker. So there's some value in here. And, and some Harry Potter, too. Which, I need Harry Potter. People are always looking for Harry Potter. Okay, let me price this all out. See how long it takes me. And I'll show you everything in this box. Okay, so I did finish that box. It took me an hour and 50 minutes. Ooh, it's going to take a lot of work to get through all these. But let me show you everything that I priced. There's a lot of really cool stuff. Let's see. We have Zeb, Iron Man with the Infinity Gauntlet. The Venomized Magneto, this is the con sticker version, so that's a nice valuable one. The Mandalorian, Val, Conan as Woody. The child with, what is he holding? The pendant? That one's cute. Fry Kids, Slime He-Man, Rainbow Batman, Oompa Loompa, the Spider-Man and Spider Armor, Venomized Thanos, Venomized Doctor Strange, Captain Crook with the con sticker, Han Solo and Carbonite, Infamous Iron Man, Iron Hammer, Falcon, Venomized Doctor Strange, Conan O'Brien, Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta, Zombie Gambit, Drax, Night King, Corrupted Venom, Sebastian Tweedy, Moaning Myrtle. This is the really nice one, a $200 plus Spider-Man and symbiote suit. Love that one. El Chimichanga. I guess that's the Deadpool version. Bash from Fortnite with the con sticker. I'm thinking of keeping that one. I'm not sure. I'm trying not to keep anything in this collection. Superior Octopus, Qui-Gon Jinn, Venomized Doctor Strange, Carnage, Art Series Batman, Notorious B.I.G., Hamburglar, Powdered Donuts, Super Saiyan Gohan, Naruto Sage Mode, Dark Captain Marvel, Sith Jet Trooper, Selena Grimace, Zombie Moon Knight, Deathstroke, Art Series Batman, another Art Series Batman, Ronald McDonald, Mayor McCheese, Night King, Officer Mac, Scuba McNugget, Hulk, and Venomized Thor. That Thor is cool. I hadn't seen that one before. So yeah, that's 2 full shelves out of one box. Woo! All right, on to the next. Okay, I think I did one of the big boxes. That was exhausting. So I think I'm going to do another one of these bins just to take a break. And then maybe I'll do these 2, and then I'll tackle another large bin. Ooh, it's going to be a very long week, I think. I don't know if I'm going to get through these by tomorrow. It might take me longer than that. Yeah, there's lots of little stuff in here, too. Okay, this is going to be a hard bin, but let's do it. Let's tackle it. I'm going to price it all out, then I'll show you what was in here. I finished up that bin. I emptied it out. I priced everything. I'll set them up so you can see them, but let me show you what's on the wall. So we have a Play-Doh Pete and Aang, a World War II Ultimate Captain America, Mr. Fantastic, Starfire Dorbs, Raven Dorbs, the Deadpool the Duck Dorbs, Spider-Man Dorbs, a Predator Dorbs, Mystique, a Perfect Cell t-shirt, a Beast Boy Dorbs, Cyborg Dorbs, Black Panther Dorbs, Robin Dorbs, the White Raven Dorbs, Xiling, Captain America, the end scene version, or the Collector Core version, Human Torch Collector Core, Zombie Red Skull Collector Core, Deadpool with Headpool Collector Core, 3 t-shirts. We have the Iron Man, Kylo Ren, Venomized Thanos, and Chester Cheetah. Okay, then I set up some of these Pocket Pops, which most of these are probably just going to sell on Whatnot, because they don't really sell in my store so much. So we have a Tohru, Hermione, Jasmine, a Groot, Harry Potter, Captain Marvel, Ariel, Lord Voldemort, Rex from Fortnite, Bedtime Deadpool, Captain Marvel, and Batman. All right, let me set up the rest and show you the other ones I got. Okay, we have another batch of 12 Pocket Pops. We have Omega from Fortnite, Love Ranger, Ant-Man, Jack, Cinderella, Raptor from Fortnite, Bright Bomber from Fortnite, Wasp, Magneto, Bob Ross, Deadpool, Jack, and Freddy Krueger. Okay, let me set up the last batch. Okay, and then the last batch of stuff, we got a couple more Pocket Pops, 2 more Fortnite ones, some Pez, some Venomized Pez, and then a whole bunch of these pins from the, I guess, Black Friday box. I'm not 100% sure where that one comes from. But yeah, lots of fun stuff. All right, it's almost noon. We opened at 3 today, so I only have 3 more hours. So I need to clean up the store a little bit. We got construction outside. That's a little bit noisy. All right, so let me pick out the next thing I need to get done. Okay, in front of the store, we have this giant box here. That's all bigger sets, I believe. So I think I need to get this done just because it's blocking up too much room right now. But it should be all... Yeah, this should go pretty quick because it's just big sets. So let me price this all out, and then I'll show you what was in this box. Whew, this is a lot of work. I started pricing those out. A lot of work. I forgot how much work this is, and I'm not having as much fun as I used to because I'm not really collecting the pops anymore. So I'm not getting that like super excited motivation, and it's really burning me out. And Hobby DV just went down, so I think I'm gonna stop the video for now because we got a lot done. I'm gonna try to do another video tomorrow, but I'm also I'm going to try to get this video up so you guys can see it before the video, but on Tuesday, I'm doing Whatnot. So by the time you see this video, it might actually be the same day I'm doing Whatnot. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to put another Mega Epic Funko Pop haul video right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!